4,14,000 hectares of agricultural land with watershed management this year in a boost to irrigation, among other pro-farmer and pro-rural initiatives rolled out in the union budget.
क्या हम एक संकल्प कर सकते हैं? राज्य सरकारें संकल्प कर सकती हैं, मेरे किसान भाई बहन संकल्प कर सकते हैं कि 2022 जब आजादी के 75 साल होंगे तब तक हम किसान की इनकम को दोगुना कर देंगे, उसकी आय दोगुना कर देंगे.
Farmers are the pride of our country. It is with these words that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing a farmers' rally in Bareilly, had set a target of doubling rural incomes. And this is precisely what Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has worked towards in this year's union budget. With a clear focus on agriculture after 2 years of drought, the budget has made allocations of 36,000 crore rupees to agriculture with the goal of doubling agricultural incomes by 2022. Agriculture Minister Radha Mohan Singh said that the budget has added a new dimension to the agricultural sector for progress and welfare of farmers and has proved that the Modi government is a government for villages, the poor and farmers.
इतना बड़ा बजट इसके पहले कभी नहीं आया था. पहली बार देश में किसान कल्याण के लिए 0.5% कृषि कल्याण सेस लगाने का भी निर्णय किया गया है.
Arun Jaitley on Monday, while presenting the budget, allocated rupees 15,000 crores as a waiver of interest on farm loans, rupees 5,500 crores for the new crop insurance scheme, and rupees 500 crores to provide incentives to produce pulses. The Ministry of Rural Development alone has got an allocation of 87,000 crore rupees. Terming Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana as the most successful scheme of the Rural Development Ministry, Chaudhry Birendra Singh said that for the first time 19,000 crore rupees has been allocated for the infrastructure scheme, which is more than double the allocation of the previous UPA government.
इस साल प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण सड़क योजना में 15-16 में 19,000 करोड़ का हमने प्रावधान किया. 60-40 की रेशो अब आई है, तो हम 27,000 करोड़ के काम इस साल कर सकेंगे.
The entire face of rural India is set to change with the budget's clear focus and direction on agriculture and rural development. A new impetus has been given to Manrega, with the allocation increasing by over 3,800 crore rupees to 38,500 crore rupees. Also under Skill India, 1 crore rural youth will be trained and government will focus on spreading digital literacy. While the Modi government's budget is a budget for development, that development will be through the development of villages first. With inputs from OP Yadav, Newsnight Desk, DD News.
Telangana Greyhounds and Chhattisgarh police today gunned down at least 8 Maoists in Sukma district of Chhattisgarh, near the border with Telangana.